நோனி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
In the horticulture sector,
a number of major pests which are occurring in the plants are trying to develop strategies for controlling these pests and diseases so that we can get quality production. When we use this fruit as a medicinal one, we need quality improvement as well as quality fruit without the infestation of pests and diseases, which you take care of for the best quality.
It is a crop. Definitely we should take a much interest because not much involved in the cost of cultivation and other thing. And it is a hardy crop because as ICAR is having one ACRP on underdeveloped and unexploited crop.
It's a tremendous change, tremendous knowledge we are having about Noni. And that will help convincing people, including scientists, that what is Noni.
Noni is a wellness, feel-good fruit crop and aspirin of the ancient time. In the present time, it is an immunomodulator.
Noni has been reported actually as useful against several, you can say, diseases. It is having antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal.
Morinda citrifolia is not a single simple drug plant, but it is an immunomodulator plant. It shows all the type of activities which can rejuvenate our body.
Gujarat state tribal use the fruits against cough and cold. Ash of leaf is also made into paste in oil based and applied on boils.
Propagation of the quality plant material on traditional method as well as tissue culture and other methods under a project funded by the National Medicinal Plant Board from the My Center as well as other centers.
It is a crucial and precious commodity, but for production of this plant, a judicious use of water is very much required.
The strategic research in crop protection in Noni could be on 5 thrust areas.
Till 2007, we were presenting the disease information based on Dr. Scott Nelson publications. Thanks to the World Noni Research Foundation initiative,
which looks like a pathological one, we can stimulate similar one by keeping the over-ripened fruit near the contact with the stem and the branches.
Regarding the symptomatology, characteristic symptom associated with the disease is characterized by the presence of brown necrotic spots with dark brown margin and gray center. You can see the presence of minute black colored acerulae on the affected leaves, which is subsequently followed by sarcold symptoms.
Total number of insect pests per plant as well as the predator, parasites and all other non-apparently harmless insects also recorded in the Noni farms.
We have good bioproducts based on Paecilomyces belacinus, which is very good.
Tamil, it is called Ven Noni. It is very easily available.
Noni acts as a protein regulator. You know the protein is very, very essential for our body, both for intracellular and both for extracellular.
Noni is one of the very famous medicinal plants. It can be used in the traditional medicine more than 200 years for treatment of variety of diseases.
The freshly grown bacterial culture were serially diluted in the NSS. The culture was swept over the surface of the Mueller-Hinton-Agar plate.
According to Kornick et al. 2003, Noni contains out of 17 amino acids and all the essential amino acids, which are very much helpful for maintaining the proper body functions.
As Gandhiji said, of the poorest poor woman in India, in our cities, in our states, when you talk about empowerment of women.
We will work hard to take the country to greater heights in all fields.
Stress-free life, eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, eat food at regular intervals, eat the right foods that are high in nutrients and vitamins in the proper quantities, drink Noni juice every day without fail.
Noni also works on our chakras. It helps our bodies chakras to balance.
When you think of drudgery, farming of Noni is it appears to be a very woman-friendly activity.
You have Noni promotes the cellular because it's got serotonin. And it has got sulfaphenes, the structure is here. Sulfaphenes works against cancer.
Need to develop suitable agro techniques under the different agroclimatic conditions and soil conditions for increasing the productivity.
The power of Noni comes from phytochemicals.
If we want to do or add some more products in the future, definitely genomic profiling and the modernist folia is the necessity.
The biotechnological intervention